talk about a big change or a quick change. You've got World Supercross, whatever, a couple days ago, a week ago, changing all of their names, all the names of their social media to from World Supercross back to SX Open and whatever, and it looked like it was dying. Let's be honest. This does not look like a series that's probably going to last. That's my opinion on things. It's just for the first 2 years you've had multiple round drops and just it doesn't the parody of it just does not look like it's going well. That's my opinion. And as of today, we have some news that they have SX Global signs 10-year deal with FIM to promote World Supercross. They took a 10-year deal or signed a 10-year deal to promote this with an additional 10-year deal option, which is insane. Um, I'm gonna butcher this last name. I'm sorry. I'm assuming it's Jorge Vegas, Vi, whatever. FIM president said the FIM believes that SX Global has the expertise and know-how to deliver a first-class World Supercross Championship long into the future. The vision is highly impressive, and the long-term success of this series is in safe hands. Personally, again, let's go back to in the 2 years this has been running. I think like 50% of the rounds have been canceled. Like, it doesn't seem like it's been run very well, and you've got people quitting and leaving, new ownership. It's just like, this is really, really strange that I don't know that this series seems to even be having a fighting chance. Obviously, you have a ton of money being paid to the big names of Roxanne and the likes like that just to get them to come and do it. But it's a strange thing. Like, in my opinion, if this was done in a pure off season for both MXGP and the American side of Supercross motocross, where you could get the Prados and the Fevras and all the people from MXGP to race a couple outdoor or a couple Supercross rounds, then I could see this working. In the off season, you get the privateers from both sides. You'd have a lot of competition. You'd have a lot of draw because you're getting fans from both sides. But if you're just bringing over, Roxon and the Supercross guys, I don't see it really connecting. Like, if you want to watch Supercross, you can already do that. I know for obviously the non-American side of things, it's probably harder than not. But the funny thing is that I think it was this video or the last video posted about this. Somebody was saying, "Oh, they should make it different and have like alligator pits and stuff." And I was like, "What are you even talking about? Like, how are you going to put alligator pits into a racing thing?" And it was so wild that it was like that. No, it's not even like a reasonable idea to have that kind of stuff. But I don't know. It's a cool idea. Take people from this fan base and that fan base and put them together into something that could be really cool. Obviously, if you have really good tracks all over the world, you're going to draw a lot of attention and it could be a thing that would work. But it's just, I don't see it as it is right now or the people running it or how it's working that it's going to last because it's been proven that just 50% of the races being quit or cut. The first year was 2 races. That's not a championship. Second year was what? Last year was 3 or 4. Like, same thing. It just doesn't make sense if you're only paying people to go there with the big names, and for the smaller guys, traveling around the world to race this is going to be financially insane. To bring a book or bring a bike and your mechanic and parts and travel and just whatever. It's insane to me, but I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. Do you think it's dying? Do you think this will last 10 years? Do you think this will get the option for the 20th year? Or is it, going to prove that it's just going to sputter out and be a thing of the past? But comments below, you tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.